Christmas lighting and decor has a way of lifting even the heaviest spirits. Being surrounded by the warm glow of dancing fairy lights reminds us of the great times that we've had with family and friends. Lights Over Atlanta prides itself on the long list of clients that we assist during the holiday season to bring these feelings of joy and happiness. From stores and restaurants to HOAs and municipalities, our Christmas lighting displays captivate and mesmerize with thoughtful design and practical implementation. We utilize only the highest quality LED equipment to ensure that your display amazes from installation to removal. We supply all holiday lighting materials and decor, allowing you to focus on what's truly important during the holidays. Let us be a part of your new holiday tradition. Contact us today to begin planning your next winter wonderland.